If you're watching such deliciousness on your screen, you know you're in Antara Zouqh. And today I'm here with my Niramish thali, Bhaja Moong Dal, which simply translates into roasted mung lentils. Of course, the lentils that I'm using today is without the skin. And I have earlier on in my khichdi video, we have two different varieties of lentils. Today I'm using this finer, smaller variety which is called Sona Muger Dal. If you find this in your markets, use it to make this recipe. Otherwise, the bigger ones are okay as well. Now, with that introduction out of the way, let's get started with the recipe. Now here there is one extra step that we need to do. In a hot kadai, which is completely dry, I am gonna dry roast the lentils till it changes its color. Now, right now, your kitchen would be smelling like heaven. It's a beautiful smell when the lentils roast like this. Once you're happy with the color, and this is the kind of color that you want, just take it in another steel container and wash it thoroughly. Pressure cook it for about 2 whistles with some salt and water added. Now let's get started with the tadka. Again, very simple, very few ingredients, but all the right ones. Here already on the kadhai is my mustard oil, which is heating up. I've added very little mustard oil. Now in goes dalchini, choti ilaichi or cardamom, tej patta and jeera. Fry it for some time before adding in the wet stuff, which would be ginger paste and green chili paste. Now you can also add just simple green chilies chopped or slit. Saute all of these things in the oil. Remember, I have used very little oil because at the end of this recipe, I'm gonna add some ghee on top. So we are starting with less oil. Now add your pressure cooked dal in the flavored oil right now. Now, of course, because we have dry roasted, the dal is not going to get mushy or overcooked on you in a pressure cooker. If you rather prefer a mushy dal, then I would suggest that keep 1 tablespoon of just non-roasted simple moong dal along with your roasted dal while pressure cooking. That way you'll get best of both worlds. I much rather prefer it this way. So here I'm mixing everything together. It's come to a boil. Add turmeric to taste. Now I'm gonna add a little more water. I want this dal to be a little watery in nature because we are making so many other recipes today. So I want to keep the dal a little simple. But if you are just serving bhaja and dal, you can skip adding water at this stage. It actually depends on your taste, how much watery you want your dal to be, and how many people you want it to feed. Anyways, everything has started to boil again. And as always, balance your savory taste with a pinch of jaggery powder or sugar, whatever you have. Give it a good mix. Taste it once. If you need anything else, you can add. I didn't add any more green chilies, but you can if you feel like. There was enough heat for me. Now when you are happy with the seasoning, there should be a flavor burst of that roasted dal along with the ginger which we fried and we added in the dal, and that cardamom singing through nice and mildly. If you're happy with your seasoning, switch off the flame and add almost half a teaspoon worth of ghee at this stage. Mix it well and it's ready to serve right away. Have it with some bhaja, some plain simple steamed rice, and this dal. Oh, you are going to be in heaven. If you liked watching us, do not forget to let your friends know about us. We need more views. Let's get more likes on this video. Let's try to hit it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like us on Facebook. Cheers!